Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. So let's get started. So first of all, from Ninny's Napkins, I purchased some really pretty stamps and some napkins. So I got this design and this design. And this is an Etsy shop, and or maybe it's just online, I can't remember now, but she is actually located in Canada. So I received these in the mail yesterday. And then I got these postage stamps, which are so pretty, and I can't wait to use them on a card. And some like antique cars, and then some florals. I really love stamps, and it's been a while since I've used stamps on a card, so I'm excited to use these. So that was from Ninny's Napkins. And then from JoAnn's, I picked up a couple of Tim Holtz items. I got this 12-piece Sprocket and gear set, and I like using these. I had some of these. They weren't the Tim Holtz brand, but from Michael's that I used on a card, and I'm gonna have a video posted of that card soon. And then I have got this paper pad. It's an 8x8 paper pad, and it's called Etcetera, and it's really pretty. It's got some really unique papers. They're double-sided. And just, I think they would be great for a masculine card. And I don't think there is a repeat. I really like this one. Isn't that pretty? The writing. And it's an 8x8 paper pad by Tim Holtz, and it's called Etcetera, 36 pages. And then I got some dies. So I love purchasing dies. I like using dies in my crafting. So I got this one from Whimsy Stamps. It's called Spooky Large Word Die, and it's really cute. So let me show you the die. I cut it out so I can show you guys. So here it is. Isn't that awesome? And look at the detail in it. It's really a good die. I can't wait to use it coming Halloween time. And there it is in the orange glitter paper. And I think that's all I have to show of that one. And then from Scrappiness, I got this Distressed Egg Nesting Slimline dies. I have this in the square and in the rectangle, and I really love this Distressed Edged nesting die. And so when I saw that it was one for Slimline cards, I couldn't wait to purchase it. And here it is cut out, and you can see I really like this. I think it would be great for Halloween cards. Here's the smaller one. And there are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dies. Yeah, 5 dies in this set. So that's the Distressed Edge Nesting Slimline die. And then from Gina Marie Design, I picked up this Super Dad Man Guy die set. So it has a really interesting name, Super Dad Man Guy die. And so it's the cape and then the men, and so I cut it out, and here it is. And it has this little separate piece here that it took me a minute to figure out where it goes, and then this piece over here cuts out separately too. So it was kind of, you had to piece it together, which was fine. I enjoy doing that. And here it is with the blue cape, some glue on it. So that's by Gina Marie Designs. And then I purchased a couple of dies off of AliExpress. I don't have much success with AliExpress dies in my Cuttlebook, I think because my Cuttlebook is so old. But it was this really cute bow set, and this was the large one. You get the outline, and then the other type of, so this is it cut out. Oh, got it turned the wrong way, sorry. So that's the smaller one. And that's the big one. And here it is again. I think I'll just cut this one out and then put the band on this one. And then here's the smaller one. So here's the die. I didn't even take it apart. I think I like the smaller one better. And there it is with the little outline piece on the edge. I think it's cute. And here's the little one. And that's from AliExpress. So those out the way. And then that was all of the dies. And then from Simon Says Stamp, I picked up by LaLa Land Crafts this Good Vibe Only stamp set. I've been waiting to get this. And once they sent me the notice that was back in stock, I couldn't wait to order it. I think she's really cute. And I cut her out. I kind of cut her out in the fashion that I do the Julie Nutting dolls. And I pieced her hair and her headband just to show you guys. I just think this stamp set is great. I love the sentiments, mind over matter, good vibes only, you got this, and I really like this one. Nothing changes if nothing changes. So it's pretty cool. And then I picked up from scrapbook.com 2 new Julie Nutting dolls, and this is Phoebe. She is so cute. I made a card out of Phoebe, and it will be in an upcoming video, so keep a lookout for that. And then I picked up Becky, and this is how Becky looks stamped out. She has a jacket, which is really cool, and so you can put the jacket on if you want. So that was from scrapbook.com. And then from Michael's, I picked up this Martha Stewart paper trimmer. I believe it was like $8, something really crazy cheap. I don't normally use these types of trimmers, but I wanted to try Martha Stewart's brand. And then they also had the extra blades on sale too. And so I picked up a set of those. So it's 3 refills for the blade, which is awesome. And then from Cricut, I ordered some paper, which I don't need, but it was such a good value. I love Cricut's glitter cardstock. So this is the pastel sampler. So you get this, just a few really pretty colors though. Peachy, yellow, green, pink, blue, and then it repeats. I got 2 of those. They were super cheap. And then I picked up by Anna Griffin this Deluxe paper, Toile Heritage, and it's single-sided, but it's really pretty. It's solid on one side, but I'm sorry, it's a super quick flip through. It's not that many pages. I think I probably showed you all the pages. Maybe you didn't see that one. But that's the Anna Griffith Deluxe paper. And then from HSN, I picked up this Anna Griffin Celestial card toppers. And I ordered the die set 2. It hasn't arrived yet. But this was actually delivered separately. And you get a ton of stuff in here. It looks like, I think it's like 94 or 84 pieces. So you get these really pretty gold foil and then sentiments. And then some, let me open these up real quick. I'm trying to not make this video too long. But you get all kind of ephemera. All to do with like signs and constellations, and I think they're really pretty. Look at that. It's gorgeous. So this is the Anna Griffin Celestial Card Toppers, and it's 84 card embellishments. So that was from HSN. And then from JoAnn's pickup, I ordered some smart iron-on vinyl for my Cricut Joy, several colors. I won't go through all the colors that I got, but it was 50% off. And then I also got some of the smart vinyl. It was 50% off, so I got several of those. So I'm very excited to maybe venture out into doing some more things with my Cricut Joy, and another thing that I'd ordered from HSN that I'll share with you one day when it comes. So that's my haul. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And to my subscribers, I want to say thank you, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you.